Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to remove fingerprint lock in our Oppo phone. Friends, you want to remove guys your fingerprint lock, so as you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove guys fingerprint lock in our Oppo phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you new in my channel and guys you are watching my video first time, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to remove guys your fingerprint lock, then guys scroll it, and as you can see guys your password and security setting, friends, tap here guys, click on your fingerprint setting, and guys draw your pattern to remove fingerprint. So as you can see we have two fingerprint, so you want to keep one fingerprint, and guys you want to remove guys your second fingerprint, so you can remove. So tap here, and guys you can see rename option and delete option, so it can delete option and delete again. So your one fingerprint will remove in your Oppo phone, then guys you can use guys only one fingerprint. So like that guys, you can remove guys your one fingerprint lock in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.